The Ensure is a rapid food safety system made up of 3 components: the Ensure luminometer, food safety tests, and SureTrend software. These components make the Ensure a necessary and valuable tool that contribute to a complete and comprehensive food safety program. Let's take a closer look at the 3 questions, such as ATP sanitation for surface and liquid samples, allergen tests, microorganism tests for product and surface applications that deliver results in 8 hours or less, and enzyme tests for milk, poultry, and meat industries. All Hygiena test devices are built with a cost-effective and efficient design due to our patented snap valve technology. This snap valve ensures our tests are ready to use right out of the box and keeps all media self-contained within the test device. SureTrend software provides invaluable access to preset and customizable reports, making it easy to recognize trends and analyze sanitation effectiveness. SureTrend also assists in identifying environmental and product contamination, verifies sanitation as part of a HACCP program, and maintains records for audit compliance. The Ensure and its easy-to-use test devices and data analysis software.
Enzyme technology. Innovative solutions on the detection and elimination of biofilms. Biofilms are complex communities that are formed when microorganisms adhere to each other. They multiply and produce a type of extracellular polymeric substance, EPS, which protect them from environmental conditions. In this way, they become a source of critical contamination because they are very difficult to detect, invisible to the human eye, and very resistant to the cleaning methods. In order to combat biofilms, iTram Hygiene offers products that use enzymatic technology to break the EPS structure, destroying its molecular bond. We can apply the enzymatic technology products on open surfaces in OPC open plant cleaning and to the circuits in CIP cleaning in place. For the closed circuits, non-foaming enzymatic detergents are used, such as BioSip and TensioSip. For open surfaces, the foaming enzymatic detergents BioJet and EnzyJet are used. The full range of iTram Hygiene's enzymatic products are designed to eliminate biofilms in all types of facilities for the food, agricultural, and pharmaceutical industries. After the enzymatic cleaning process, BioFinder, which is the fastest and most inexpensive biofilm detector in the market, is applied and provides results in 30 seconds, verifying the efficiency of the cleaning process.
Introducing VeriFlow, the power of molecular diagnostics in the palm of your hand. Our first-in-class AOAC certified technology couples the ease of use of lateral flow technology with the sensitivity of molecular diagnostics. A first of its kind, VeriFlow represents a leap in the detection of foodborne pathogens. VeriFlow produces results in 3 easy steps: enrich, amplify, and detect. Now let's take a look at the VeriFlow testing procedure. Add a food or environmental sample to a collection bag with invisible sentinel media. Place the sealed bag into an incubator. Transfer the enriched media into the PCR tube. Seal the PCR tube and place into the invisible sentinel thermocycler. Transfer the amplified contents of the tube onto the cassette window. Retract the switch on the cassette to reveal the results in the window. 1 line is negative and 2 lines are positive.
Introducing BrewPal, powered by VeriFlow. Redefining Pediococcus and Lactobacillus detection with sample to result in under 3 hours. Our game-changing rapid detection technology empowers a preventive approach to quality at the brewery. BrewPal is accurate, sensitive, and specific to beer spoilage organisms. The system is simple and easy to use at the brewery and can help ensure the integrity of your brand. BrewPal is robust enough for accurate testing in all styles of beer, from post-boil to packaging, BrewPal can be used to test for beer spoilers throughout the entire brewing process, including yeast slurries, fermentation, bright tanks, packaged product, and environmental monitoring, with actionable results available on-site in under 3 hours. Utilizing a simplified workflow, testing for Pediococcus and Lactobacillus at the brewery couldn't be easier. Collect a 25 milliliter sample of beer and spin down. Decant the remaining beer and resuspend the sample in our proprietary buffer. Transfer the sample to the provided tubes for PCR. The easy-to-use VeriFlow thermocycler amplifies DNA and uses unique DNA signature detection to identify the presence of Pediococcus and Lactobacillus. Remove tubes from the thermocycler and add the secondary proprietary buffer. Transfer the contents of the tube onto the cassette window. Retract the switch on the cassette to reveal the results in the window. The test line intensity on the cassette represents the quantity of viable spoilage organisms per milliliter from the original sample. BrewPal, powered by VeriFlow. Sample the result in under 3 hours. Empowering a preventive approach to quality at your brewery.
This looks like a pregnancy test, but it's actually designed to be used in breweries. Victory, Yards, and Weyerbacher are partnering with a University City science startup called Invisible Sentinel on a new tool to help test for spoiled beer. It's called the BrewPal.
The BrewPal assay is designed to look for a genetic signature in bacteria called Pediococcus and Lactobacillus, the same kind of bacteria that makes your yogurt. It's not dangerous to consume, but it's going to give you an off taste, and a lager might not taste like a lager if you have this bacteria inside of it.
The new testing system fits on a desk, but it's not just small, it's fast, providing accurate results on the same day within just 3 to 4 hours.
Normal methods can take up to 7 days. By that time, it's too late. Beer can be out the door, it can be halfway across the country, if not all the way across the country.
The test is also designed to be extremely easy to execute.
You take a small sample of beer, you collect the bacteria by centrifugation, and you take a sample from that and run it through an assay that looks for that DNA fingerprint. And then you simply apply that sample to a cassette, you pull back the trigger, and if you have bacteria in there, you've got 2 lines you're pregnant, 1 line you're not.
We're taking something that took 5 days down to 3 hours, and that speed and importantly the accuracy that our diagnostic gives them, it's invaluable.
The whole system runs less than $10,000, so even tiny breweries should be able to get in on the game of using science to make better beer.
Introducing VeriFlow, empowering winemakers one test at a time. Our unique AOAC-approved technology for food pathogen detection is now bringing same-day analysis of Brettanomyces to the vineyard. VeriFlow Brett improves accuracy, reduces costs, and provides winemakers with same-day, on-site, actionable results for Brettanomyces levels. From tank to bottle, our technology can be used throughout the entire winemaking process during fermentation, when aging in barrels, and pre- or post-bottling to deliver results in under 4 hours. Utilizing a simplified workflow, analysis for Brettanomyces at your vineyard couldn't be easier. Collect a 25 milliliter sample of wine and spin down. Decant the remaining wine and resuspend the sample in our proprietary buffer. Transfer the sample to the provided tubes for digestion. Following digestion, transfer the sample to the provided tubes for PCR. Both steps employ the Invisible Sentinel thermocycler for simplicity and convenience. After PCR, transfer the contents of the tube onto the cassette window. Retract the switch on the cassette to reveal the results in the window. The test line intensity on the cassette represents the quantity of viable Brettanomyces per milliliter from the original sample.
Nowadays, health is increasingly at the heart of everyone's concern. In a changing world, consumer awareness and stricter requirements oblige manufacturers to perform ever more controls to ensure the quality of their products. In a connected world, everyone needs to access data in real time and be alerted quickly. As a professional in your industry, you are regularly confronted with obstacles in your laboratory tests. You don't want to be limited. You need breakthrough test solutions to test more parameters at once. You want to rationalize and simplify test procedures. You don't want to manage many different technologies from different brands. You need to detect everything instantly. Faster analysis means faster release of your products. You don't want to spend time managing your data, or worse, losing them. Nowadays, connectivity and traceability are the standards. Unisensor has found the solutions to all these concerns and integrated them into one device. Monitor tens of molecules at once. With Extenso, you choose the combinations of molecules you want to screen. Perform tens of analyses in 13 minutes. Extenso offers all the latest connecting capabilities with data matrix traceability of your samples. Extenso is multiple, flexible, rapid, and connected.